Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down basics that make the site professional. Select a minimal template and set a 16:9 layout so visuals scale predictably. Once done, create 3 core pages: Home, About, Contact, and establish consistent headings and URL structure. Upload an optimized logo file and pick a cohesive color palette and 2 fonts for headings and body. This creates visual hierarchy and faster recognition. Make sure navigation labels are short and logical, so visitors immediately understand where to go. Now refine layout and content to increase trust and clarity. Use grid sections with 60/40 or 50/50 blocks to balance imagery and text, and apply consistent spacing and alignment to reduce clutter. Optimize each image to 72 dpi and under 200 KB using WebP or compressed JPEG so pages load fast. Once content reads like a clear brochure, add concise calls to action, social links, and structured contact details so visitors know how to engage without searching. Finish by preparing the site for real visitors and common issues. Set page titles, meta descriptions, and a favicon for brand polish. Always preview on mobile and tablet. Test every link and form, run a speed check, and validate color contrast for accessibility so you don't lose users. When ready, publish to a custom domain and confirm SSL is active. If pages look broken after publish, clear caches and check for mixed content. Those steps fix most display problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.